we already see the simple example where your x and y are the constant. Now, if they are not constant, if they have a variable things, then how to solve that type of example? So, here on the screen you can see that over the general region, a plane region capital D is said to be y simple if it lies between the graphs of two continuous function of x. Here your D is equal to, in a curly bracket, x y, A is running between A to B and y is between two functions of the x, g1 of x and g2 of x. Here you can see this type of graph. Now, for integration, we have to keep in our mind that constant limit always put outside, inner limit we are taking as a variable. Here variable limit that is given for the y as a variable form of the x. Therefore, we are taking here integration with respect to y first and then with respect to x. Suppose like example, if you have a double integration over the d x plus 2y dA, then we have this type of two regions. Then we have to integrate first with respect to y and then with respect to x. Now, in a general case, suppose f of x y is a continuous, your area A is given like x y, where x is in closed interval and y is between h x and g x, then the double integration is equal to the integrate integral. We can see from the diagram here. This is very interesting that how we can take the limits here. If you have a two regions, two curves h x and g x. Suppose h x is a lower one, g x is a upper one. You can see on the screen that h x from the green line and g x in a purple line. So, here x is constant. We know when your x is constant, we will take the horizontal strip for the limit, vertical strip for the limits. So, here vertical strip we are taking from the downward to upward. So, h x to g x. So, your integration is a to b h x to g x. So, these 2 points are important for us and the red strip is important. Now, type 2. A plane region D is said to be x simple if it lies between the graph of two continuous function of y. So, D of x y and your y is between C to D, x is between h1 y to h2 y. Like the example given on the screen, suppose you have this type of diagram, then first you have to take the integration with respect to x and then with respect to y. Here y is constant and x as a variable form. So, we can evaluate this type of question, but in this how we can take the strip, that is very important. So, in a general case, suppose f of x y is a continuous and the region A is here C and D is the limit for y. For the limit of x, what we have? H y to g y. Then we have an integration. Here integration of f of x y dA is C to D. C to D is the limit of y. H of y to g of y is the limit of x. So, we can see in this diagram, suppose you have a h x like a green graph you can see in the diagram and in a purple line is given for the g of y. If here y is constant, we are taking the horizontal strip. You can see it is a horizontal strip on the screen and we are taking the limit left to right. So, keep this in your mind, when you have a y constant, we are taking the horizontal strip for the region. Suppose you do not have that simple region, then how to solve that type of example? There are many regions that do not belong to any of these previous types, such as one indicate in the next slide. Suppose this type of region, then that is a surprise to how to solve this type of region for double integration. So, you can divide this region in a different part. See, you can partition in this like that is a D1, D2, D3. You take this different partition, different region, convert into the previous two cases and add that integral. So, find for D1 region I1, for D2 region I2 and for D3 region I3. Then add off that, we are getting the answer. So, this type of example we can solve. Now, the another interesting one, suppose your f of x y is phi of x into psi of y. That is also interesting one. What is here given? The function of x into the function of y only. If two different, then we can take separate integration of x, separate integration of y. That can be applicable for only this type of the function and only for the constant limits, not for the variable limits. So, we can see this type of example. Suppose you have a y into sin x, you can take separate integration for the y, you can take the separate integration for sin x. If the limits are constant, which is given here, that x is for y is for 1 by 2 to 1 and x is for pi by 2 to pi. So, we can do like that. Same thing for the second example also. Now, we understand how many type to solve that double integral. Now, we will see the example that how we can evaluate this type of question. हम लोगों ने आगे 4 different cases देखे हैं. First, we see that the constant limit. So, in this example, we have a constant limit that y is equal to 1 to 2 and x is 0 to 3. The function is 1 plus 8xy dx dy. So, we are taking first inner limit. In this inner limit, we are taking integration with respect to x only and keeping y constant. ये हमें ध्यान में रखना है कि जब भी हम इंटीग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x ले, कीपिंग y constant. So, integration of 1 with respect to x is x 8xy. So, 8 x का इंटीग्रेशन होगा x square by 2, y behaving as a constant, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 3. Then simplify that, we are getting 3 plus 36y dy. Now, it is a single integration, that is a very simple, that is a 3y plus 36y square by 2, y running from 1 to 2 and apply your upper and lower limit, you have an answer 57. It is a very simple thing. So, another example for the constant limit. In this case, you can see that integration is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 1, y sin x dy dx. So, integration inner limit first. So, 0 to 1 is the limit of y and outer that is 0 to pi by 2 is the limit of x. So, first we are taking integration with respect to here y, then x will be constant. So, integration of y is y square by 2, sin x behave as a constant, apply your upper limit. So, it is a 1 by 2 sin x. Now, integration of sin x is a minus cos x, 1 by 2 is a constant and apply upper and lower limit, your answer is 1 by 2. Now we will do the another topic, another second part like a variable limit. आगे के दोनों एग्जाम्पल हम लोगों ने constant limits के देखे. Now in the third example we will see about the variable limits, where r is the double integration over r sin x upon x dA, where r is the triangle in xy plane bounded by x axis and the line y is equal to x and the line x is equal to 1. So you can see in the diagram that y is equal to x, which is the line passing through 0 0 at the 45 angle, and we can see x is equal to 1 is a vertical line. So you have a shaded blue portion. Here we are taking vertical strip. When you have a vertical strip, x will be constant. So x is between 0 to 1, and y we are taking down to up. For down to up, y is varies from 0 to y is equal to x. So here 0 to 1 and integration 0 to x sin x by x dy. So first we are taking integration with respect to y. Here we have only the term of x, therefore the integration of 1 is y, which is given on the screen, and y into sin x by x. Substitute your upper limit, so x will be cancelled out, only you have a sin x, and integration of sin x is minus cos x. So minus cos, substitute your upper limit and lower limit, that we will have the answer. Now another interesting question, that double integration over the s under root xy minus y square dy dx, where s is the triangle with vertices 0 0, 10 comma 1 and 1 comma 1. So you can see how to put your points. That point is origin 0 0, the point A is 1 comma 1, point B is 10 comma 1. So that is our triangle region. In this region either we can take the horizontal strip और वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप. आगे एक एग्जाम्पल हमने वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप का देखा, यहाँ पे एक हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रिप लेकर देखते हैं. इफ यू आर टेकिंग द हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रिप इट गोज लेफ्ट टू राइट, एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रिप है तो यहाँ पे आपको कांस्टेंट लेना होगा y and x as a variable. You can see in the diagram the strip start with the line. We can make the line for origin to point A 1 comma 1, that is the line x is equal to y, and for the point B 10 comma 1 and the origin, that we can find the equation of the line. We know how to find the equation of the line by the 2 points, and that is the line x is equal to 10y. So your x varies from y to x equal to 10y, and y will be constant 0 to 1. So double integration 0 to 1 integration y to 10y under root of xy minus y square dx dy. So first here we are taking integration with respect to x and then y. So integration of this we have, and the simplification of that we have an answer 6. So that is the process to take the strip. Now the next example, double integration over r f of x y dA, where x is running from 0 to 1, y is running from 1 minus x to under root 1 minus x square f of x y dy dx. You can see in the diagram that y minus under root of 1 minus x square, that is the sum part of the circle, that is x square plus y square is equal to 1, and we have the line x plus y is equal to 1. Here we are taking the vertical strip, which you can see in a purple diagram, vertical strip. So y start with the 1 minus x and y ends at under root of 1 minus x square. X smallest and largest portion is the 0 to 1, that we can take the limits for the function, or we can take the horizontal strip. आगे हम लोगों ने दोनों एग्जाम्पल में देखा, एक में वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप देखा, एक में हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रिप देखा. सो इन दिस यू कैन टेक आइदर हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल. सपोज इसमें आप लोग हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रिप लेते हैं, देन द सेम डायग्राम, टेक द हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रिप, you have to take the limit of strip from left to right. You can see x enter at 1 minus y and leaves at x is equal to under root of 1 minus y square. Smallest part of y is 0 and largest part is 1. So that is the important, that how to take the limits for the integration. So यहाँ तक हम लोगों ने देखा कि डबल इंटीग्रेशन में लिमिट्स कैसे ली जाती है. अगर हमारा कांस्टेंट लिमिट्स है तो एग्जाम्पल कैसे करने हैं. अगर डायग्राम दिया हुआ है और ड्रॉ करने के बाद हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रिप लेनी या वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप लेकर कैसे सॉल्व करने, वो एग्जाम्पल देखें. नाउ आवर इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक इज चेंज ऑफ ऑर्डर ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. आप लोगों को लगता होगा कि अभी तक तो जैसे तैसे करके डबल इंटीग्रेशन सीखे हैं, अब इसके ऑर्डर यानी कैसे चेंज करें. ऑर्डर का मीनिंग है कि पहले इंटीग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स करना है या वाई करना है. सपोज इंटीग्रेशन डी एक्स डी वाई दिया गया है, सो यू कैन टेक डी वाई डी एक्स ऑल्सो. सो हाउ टू डू दैट? फॉर दैट you require to change your strip. So that is very interesting process, we will see in the side also. Change of order of integration. One difficult part of the computing double integral is determining the limits of integration. In some situation we know the limits of integration, the dx dy order, and need to determine the limit of integration for the equivalent integral in dy dx और vice versa. यानी अगर dy dx दिया है और आपको dx dy में भी कन्वर्ट करना हो सकता है. The process of switching between dx dy over to dy dx in a double integral is